Okay, I just got these Thursday boots in. They are the Casa Moto Anejos, and we're gonna open them up and take a look and see what they look like. Let's see. Yay, paper, that's my receipt. Let's get these out. Got it all out of the way. Okay. Oh, look, wrapping. Ooh, very nice. The leather feels nice. Oh yeah, those look sharp. I thought they were gonna be super narrow in the toe. They're not bad. Those are some stiff boot zips. Yeah, those look good. Very cool. Okay. Sure, the other one just looks just the same, but for you people who need to see both boots, here you go. Yeah, nice and padded. I'm not saying I'd ride my Harley with them, because the shifter would jack those toes up in a second, like all boots. But for casual wear, yeah, those look pretty good. I'll review how I feel about them when I put them on my feet and if they fit right, because I just ordered my regular boot size, which is a size 10. And my sneaker size is a size 10 too. They said to go down a half size, but I don't believe that because I have wide feet and they did not have a double E. So I'll get back to you, but so far they look, that color is great on that. Very cool. All right, I'll update you guys. Thanks.